KAAC leaders meet IB chief urge strengthen autonomy and key amendments to 125th constitutional amendment for Karbi Anglong's demographic security and empowerment. In a significant move, CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang along with MP Amar Singh Kiso and other dignitaries met with Intelligence Bureau Director Tapan Kumar Deka in New Delhi today. The delegation submitted a memorandum highlighting the urgent need to strengthen the 125th constitutional amendment for Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council (KAAC). The team expressed gratitude for Deka's assurance to help resolve pending issues hindering KAAC's autonomy under the 6th schedule. They reviewed the bill and proposed key amendments to ensure demographic security, political stability, and legislative empowerment for indigenous people in Karbi Anglong. The proposed amendments include strengthening autonomy over land, forest, and natural resources, adding developmental subjects like vocational education and rural electrification. Protecting tribal land and preventing misuse of state powers. These changes aim to resolve long-standing challenges faced by KAAC and achieve administrative stability, strengthening the journey towards Article 2448 autonomy. The meeting is seen as a significant step towards empowering the indigenous people of Karbi Anglong and ensuring their rights and interests are protected. The delegation's efforts are expected to bring about positive changes in the region, promoting overall development and prosperity.